March the 6th, GB will be facing Mexico at 6 p.m. UK time, followed by the rematch of the 1938 World Championship final against the US at 1 a.m. UK time as well.
GB will then play Italy on March the 8th before wrapping up against Brazil March 9th, both games 5 p.m. UK time.
The top two teams from the group will play in the Houston quarterfinal with the semi-final and final in Miami.
Watch Great Britain at this year's World Baseball Classic in March as they face up against some of the best teams in the world.
Let's go GB!